Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video, I want to do a little flip through of a project I finished. I did not make it on camera. I did not even show you I was making it because I've already made a similar album journal. If you've watched, you would have seen my part 1 and 2. I will link them down below of the Dachshund journal that I made in July. Oh my god, it feels like so long ago. No, I think I made it in June. I believe I made it in June. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. Anyway, the woman I made it for is a friend of my aunt's, and they had went to, I believe my aunt said they went to Colorado for her to get a dachshund. And when they were there, my aunt messaged me and was like, could you make her a little album for journaling and pictures and stuff for the dachshund, for the little baby? I said, no problem. I made her the album. I sent it to her. She emailed me the next day and said, my daughter also got two dachshund puppies. Can you make her an album? I said, sure, but it's not going to look like yours. I don't like doing like that. I want your stuff to be original-ish, as original as it can be. I'm not going to copy it exactly, but yeah, I will gladly do it. She said that's no problem. But she loved it and she wanted one for her daughter, and I finished it yesterday, and here it is. You'll see what the need for this is soon, but I'm sending that along when I ship it out this week. It's a photo crop because I have frames in there that has the weird shape, so I'm sending this along for her to use to trace a photo, cut around a photo so the photo will fit. Okay, so on the front here I covered the front and the back with this Dachshund fabric, and then I Mod Podged over it that I found at Joann. Isn't it pretty? And then the word love, reminiscent of her mom's, I also put that on the front of her mom's, but in like tan and craft, I believe. And then a photo spot. I really like, I loved the other cover, but I also love this cover. And then the place photo here, so she knows to put a photo here. Okay. And on the inside, I covered everything with this gray paper. I'm just going to do a quick flip through. This won't be a long video. But yeah. Here, this is where I mean. See, if you cut, and then you can fit right in that space. See? This is a die. Maybe because it, like, oh yeah, they're not exactly the same. So pay attention to that, okay? Okay, Janet. I think her name's Janet. Yes. Pay attention to that. They're not all the same. Check to see how it fits. I thought it would be like exactly. Wouldn't you think? Or maybe it is, and I'm just dumb. Anyway, moving on. So once again, I have the 2 front pages for all the little facts and pictures because she has 2. So there's that. And then we'll just flip through. Plenty of room for photos, and to add more. Just because there's not a photo spot doesn't mean you can't add a photo. And for hers, I did the tags. I really love the tag, photo here, and then journaling on here. I really love it. And look at the little wiener. This is a die I got off of Amazon. Same here with the little the tags. And then the little stamps, just like in her mom's. And then this, I also put this in her mom's. There was a lot of stuff I loved about that journal, so I did continue it on in this, which was using the same kind of frames. This I love. I don't know why. The purple and the pink, love it. Why? I don't know. But there's plenty of room to add more photos. Doesn't have to stay. I love this too. I did this in her mom's also, and I loved it. It does not have to stay just using the photo mats. Put photos anywhere. There's so much room for photos. And this one, and plenty of room for journaling down here. I didn't always include lines. I don't always want to write on lines. So I included some lines, I included blank, I included the tags, and I included the stamp. So we have this one, like I use this stamp over here. Right here's the stamp. Wiener. Makes me laugh every time. Here's hand drawn, here's a tag, so there's plenty of room for journaling. And then, like I said, add extra photos, add little things. I don't know. It's been a long time since I've had a new puppy. I don't know what I would include in this album journal. Another one of these, grass with the wiener, this time on the outside. All this journaling here. Here we go. This one with all this whole page's lines. And that's it. So this photo crop will go with, I'm going to write a note on it to say, make sure you figure out which direction it's going. Had no idea it was directional. Would you have thought it was directional? Let me know down below. Would you have thought that was directional? I wouldn't have thought that. Now I know. Anyway, this is going to get mailed out. And it's going to Colorado, I believe. But I wanted to do a quick little flip through so you could see what it looked like before I sent it out. And that's it then. So please like and subscribe. Let me know how you feel about this cover compared to the other one. I love them both. I really do. I love them both. Yeah, thanks for joining me today. I will see you guys in the next video. You have a great day.